Okay.
iPod dissection.
Delicious.
Some parts. Oh gosh.
Whoa.
This is what's inside of an iPod. Not so pretty from the inside, but I could live with it. Can you still press it?
I don't know.
No.
I'm pretty sure you can't.
Steve Jobs must have been really creative.
Oh wow.
That's the button.
This is the button. Yeah. I'm totally gonna keep this.
Make sure you
This
don't cut
thing.
yourself. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Oh yeah, there's a baby stuck in that glass
Yeah.
from our last video.
Yeah,
Okay.
you should watch it.
Maybe I wanna get the cameras.
See if you can actually keep the camera.
But I don't think. Oh, the camera's screwed in. I don't know.
Look, there's dents in the metal.
This fork can't even dent it. Okay, maybe the other side?
Stab it.
No.
Wow, I wonder how your BB did that.
This is really hard. I do not know how to.
Do you have a mini screwdriver?
No, not that tiny. Come on. Yeah, this is. Whoa. Oh yeah, with the BB, it went through a little.
Oh yeah, that's what made that dent in there.
Yeah. That's perfect. Okay, now reattaching it is the hard part. Okay. Okay, this is going good. I'm still gonna use this. Okay, that will be my screen protector. That and that. Oh yeah, I put it back together too.